guys are doing well. If you haven't been to my videos or seen my videos before, I am Chuubibi and I like creating art, and I also vlog, some studio vlogs, process works and all that kind of goody stuff. So if that's something that you like watching, do remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so then I know what type of stuff I need to make more in the future. Now jumping right into today's video. So this one is a bit of a long-ish vlog, I guess. So for the past few months I've been away for a while. So I went over to my boyfriend's house to stay over during COVID because of all the lockdowns and stuff. And what I've been doing is basically using the most minimal amount of stuff that I had with me, which meant that I could not record and make as many videos. I was also very busy and preoccupied with life, spending time with my boyfriend and his family. So I didn't really get to film too much footage, but I did end up recording some stuff that I did during the Patreon packing and store orders. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. So this month, or in this video, it's going to be the June Patreon package. And what I've done is I've made a little special offer so then all patrons who join during that month, they'll be receiving a mini original. So it was something that I just wanted to do on the whim because I was like, I don't know what to do. I don't have all of my art supplies and equipment when I stayed over at my boyfriend's house. So then I just tried to do some little sketches and did little mini paintings as a special reward to thank all my patrons for sticking by me, especially during such a tough time. So what you see is on the pile is basically the little mini originals which I painted for all my lovely snail mail patrons. So thank you guys so much. So while you see me signing them and stuff, I'm also I think I'm packing or sorting out the different packages. So I bought these cool little name tag cards a few years back. I never got to use them because I don't know what to use them for. I don't gift as often with family gatherings and stuff. There's only so many people that you'll be gifting to, but I got a huge package. So what I decided to do was bring that over this time, and then I signed all the different packages. Ooh, right now, as you can see, is the June sticker. So these were printed and sent over to my place, and I luckily picked them up before I went over to my boyfriend's place. So these little stickers were so cute. They were all about summer. Oh yes, for those of you who aren't patrons, these few months I've been making different seasonal pins. So in June, I think I did summer. For July, I did autumn. For August, I did winter. And for September, I'm going to be doing spring. So there'll be a pin for each of these seasons, along with a print and a sticker. So that's something that I'm really excited about. So as you can see in the video right now, I'm packaging all of the June Patreon packages. I know it is a lot of packing, but I think in a lot of my studio vlog or Patreon packing videos, I tend to speed up the process. But right now, it's not sped up, so you can actually see the intense struggle that I have when packing all the packages. It's very slow paced, finger in different random directions and stuff. Yeah, it's weird. Looking back at it, I'm just should I even leave that in? Oh well. Ooh, this time I wanted to do something a little fancy. So then I used little strings. I don't know what type of string it is. It's not wool. I don't know what it's called. But if you do know, do comment down below so then I can buy more of these string in case they run out. So this time I wanted to tie up the little packages to make them a little cute and include the little name tags. So yeah. I think every single month I kind of package my Patreon packages a little differently. Sometimes I just use tissue paper and wrap it up. Sometimes I use little sleeves. Sometimes I include a little candy. And sometimes I do little wrapping like this one. So I thought that would be pretty fun. So now I'm just gonna let you enjoy a little speed paint, or not a speed paint, a little speed up footage of me packing all the different orders. Okay, so we're coming to the end of this little video. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and thank you to all of my lovely patrons for sticking by me and pledging during such a tough and crazy time. I'm really grateful, so I hope you guys do enjoy these little rewards. And again, if you do like this type of video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know that I can make more of it. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!